Hello, it is Thursday and it's late as usual. That's what happens when I work a 9 to 5 and then I try to do this after work, but we're doing it. So today is all about setting up my emails, just getting the initial things done. I'll have more on that tomorrow, so we'll dive a little bit deeper into that, but I just wanted to give you a quick update. Working on some emails today and we'll keep on moving. Watch the beginning of the series if you want to know what I'm doing day by day, and if you want to know how to create a if you want to know how to create a product line collection, I don't know, but that's such a tongue twister. I've said this so many times. Click the link below. It'll help you start your product line. And if you need supplies for your product line, there's another link below where you can get access to a free supplier's guide for your products. So you're gonna be able to find some companies that I use. When we get into the packaging section of this design series, I'll show you exactly what I use, and we're just going to keep on moving forward.